What's going on, guys? This is me Mehdi Shakil and you are watching my YouTube channel SSTec Tutorial. So guys, today in this video I am going to upgrade my old PC to a $1000 build. In this video I am going to build a $1000 PC dedicated for video editing and little bit gaming. From last 5 or 6 years I did not upgrade anything on my budget PC. And finally I decided to upgrade my full PC with a $1000 build. So in this video I am going to show you what are the components I am going to use to build my PC, and also I will show you step-by-step guide to build a PC at home. So guys, without talking too much, let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe my YouTube channel SSTec Tutorial and stay connected with my channel. Okay guys, in this build I am going to use AMD Ryzen processor, MSI motherboard, MSI graphics card and with a mid-tower case. Now let's see the details of those components. So guys, here are all the components I brought to build my new PC. As a processor, I will use Ryzen 7 3700X. It has 8 core and 16 threads. For graphics card, I select MSI RX 5600 XT 6GB graphics card. As a main board, I select MSI B450 Motor Max motherboard. For storage, I choose Samsung Evo Plus 250GB NVMe M2 drive. Also, I select two Corsair variants LPX 8GB of RAM. And to power up all of this, I select Entech Value Power 550 watt power supply. And guys, I am going to install all of this component into the Max Green mid-tower case. Okay guys, now you all know what are the components I am going to use to build my PC. So further ado, let's start building the PC. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video and enjoy this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friend. And guys, if you want to build the same PC with the same configuration what I use in my PC, then you can check the link in description for all the component link. Also guys, if you are new on my channel, then please do subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. And guys, if you had already subscribed my YouTube channel, then thank you so much. I'm Mehdi Shakil, you are watching SSTec tutorial and I'm signing off.